Fix in 5. P0553. Power steering pressure sensor circuit high input, abnormal sensor volt. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Power steering warning light illuminated on dashboard, loss or reduced power steering assist, stiff steering wheel requiring more effort to turn, intermittent power steering function, no steering assist during turns. Now the most likely causes. Faulty power steering pressure sensor. Corroded or damaged sensor wiring, connector. Open circuit in pressure sensor harness. Power steering pump failure. Low power steering fluid level. How to fix it? Replace power steering pressure sensor. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness. Clean corroded connector terminals. Refill power steering fluid to proper level. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45 minus 120 doing it yourself, or Euro 125 to 200 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0553 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0553 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0553. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.